So here we have the Ford C-Max on a 13 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the individually folding rear seats should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the bottom, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. And above that, the main trip computer, which includes the total miles of the car. They are 58,820. You can change the information displayed above that using buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And the buttons in question are just here. We have stereo and phone controls on the right-hand side. And then the main stereo itself is over in the centre, with the screen for it directly above. You can see on there that we've got USB input, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary input. You can cycle round
no USB device.
all of those by pressing the auxiliary button. We've also got the radio, of course, where we've got DAB, FM and AM radio as well. And we have a CD player just there. Press the phone button and follow the instructions on screen to pair your phone, with the main volume for the stereo. Deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. And below that, the air conditioning. So you can adjust the fan speed, temperature and direction of the air. The air conditioning's on at the minute. That's off. Back on. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here. With a heated rear screen, a heated front screen. This button will turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. We then have a 6-speed manual gearbox and a 12-volt charging socket. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.